So welcome to this channel, guys. This one will be the first audio video. I mean the video with audio video for this channel. So actually this channel is like a portfolio for me, and also I thought that why shouldn't I at least explain what I am doing on this channel, such that you could sit, watch it and learn it. So basically watch and learn this from these videos. Okay, so today I am going to design a new part, or you can say a new redesign a new part with the same dimensions. So for that I am going to take the first I have to make a actually I am going to explain what I am doing in this, so that you could learn that. So basically there are three planes: front plane, top plane, and right plane. In top plane I am going to design, that means the top view. We are going to see the top view of the I mean that the first view we will going to see is the top view. So let's go and sketch some drawings in it, then we will convert it into a part. Okay, so we will select the top plane and go for the sketch here, and then click on just sketch. It will bring the plane in front of you. Now this is the center point of this workspace. Okay, and you know the axis system of the coordinate system actually. So now I am going to take a center line. So for center line, I mean the axis line, we are going to select from here. This is a line, simple line, plain line. Okay, and this, when we click on this drop down, we are going to select from these three options. There is a center line. I am going to select the center line, and I am just placing it here. Okay, now we have selected a center line. Now I am going to draw a part from a design, a sketch on it. So first thing first, I am going to select draw from the line, and this one and this one. So basically it's an half rectangle. Okay, now when I zoom on this, so I'm going to use the sketch fillet tool to make a curve on it. Okay, so basically I'm going to select a chamfer, and this one, and it will automatically draw a chamfer on it, but it's a its size are different. So I'm going to reduce the size of this by creating a 2 mm. Actually it's not taking yeah, I can select by this. Now we can see that, sorry, it's a 2 mm dimension fillet or chamfer, what we have to say. Now it's okay, and on this side too, sorry, it's taking fillet. Yeah, now it's again it's of 10 mm. Now I'm going to feed this as 2 mm. It's all right. Now for I have to select the dimensions too na, from here to here. So for dimensioning we are going to use the smart dimension, or you can select a different dimensions from here. We are going with the smart dimension. Okay, now this and this, when we select these and these, I mean this, oh sorry, smart dimension, select this line and select this line. Now it's, we can give the dimension of it. So I am going to give a dimension for that, that is 75 mm. Okay, and we are going to draw a circle in between these that will create a hole inside our final drawing. For circle, we are going to select the circle tool and just click it here and draw a circle. Okay, and again one for this side and this. So we have created two circles, but we have not constrained it or give the dimension between these two sides and these two sides, or these two sides or these two sides, or between these two circles. So for that I am going to select the smart dimension. Firstly we will creating the distance between these two circles, so that will be 61 centimeters, sorry, mm, 61 mm. That's okay. Now the center will be of 4, I think 6.5. Yeah, let's go for that. The radius will be of, or diameter, 6.5 diameter. So you can change it while just clicking on this, and here you can select the d5. It's d5, that means it's showing the diameter. You can select r for radius. You can give here the r, but I'm going with the diameter, so just cancel it. And this one too, the 6.5. Okay, and now I'm going to give the difference of these two sides. Okay, so for that I'm selecting this plane and this plane, and then I'm going to give a dimension of 5 mm. It's quite, what's the dimension in this side is 9 mm, so it will be 7 mm, so that it will be equally distributed, and this side will be also the 7 mm. Okay, so it will be automatically created because these 2 points are interconnected with each other, or the co-linear with each other, that's why. So now the half part of our drawing are done, and one more thing is left, but it will be drawn later on. Okay, so what I am going to do is I am going to mirror these to this side. Okay, and one more thing, I have to center this from this point to this point. Okay, so I'm going to select this point and this point, and then I'm going to give a dimension of 75 by 2. It will automatically center it. Now if I go for the mirroring part, okay, for mirroring we can go where the mirror part was actually, yeah, here the mirror entities. So I am going to select this, and I am going to select whole this drawing. Okay, and for mirror about I am going to select this axis. Now you can see that the the design or the drawing we have made is mirror on the opposite side. So I'm going to click OK. Now it's a complete design. So we can now extract the drawing from the air. For that we have to go to features, extrude boss base, and it will automatically extrude the base, and the it's 10 mm, it's okay, and I'm going to just click OK here. It will generate a drawing for us. Now you can see that the base is ready. Now I am going to select this plane and go for this next sketch or next step for this design. Okay, so what I am going to do, again I am going to select a center line. Okay, and this And now I am going to draw a rectangle over here. Where? Here. Let's see. Okay, now I'm going to dimension it. uh, it will be apart from here, that is dimensioning like this from here, this line, it will be 15 mm. Okay, and again I'm going to mirror this to this side. So selecting the mirror part, selecting this and selecting about this axis, so it's now mirror. And one more thing I forgot to tell, that dimension, that this will be of 10 mm. So 10 mm. Now I can mirror these. For mirror entities, select these, select this, sorry, select here mirror about and select this line and then hit OK. It's now mirrored. Now I'm going to again extrude the base from here. Okay, but this time I'm going to extend it further. So for that I am going to here put a dimension. The dimension will be 35 mm. Okay, now it's okay. So now what I am going to do is I am selecting this plane. Okay, and start sketching here. What I am going to draw, I am just going to draw a circle in here of the radius. Let me draw a circle first. Okay, now I am going to start a dimension, smart dimensioning, and the radius will be the 15 mm. Okay, and the center of the circle will be 30 mm apart. So I am going to set the dimension 30 mm. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to chamfer like this. Okay, for that I am going to chamfer here, and we can select from here the chamfer and this part, this part, this part and this part, and all will be of 2 mm. Sorry, 5 mm. 5 mm. Okay, so let's see. So our part is ready. Now I am going to give a appearance to it. So I am going to select a color from here, and the color should be I think metallic color will be best. Chrome, chromium plate, full body, yeah. And I can change the appearance to cartoon such that it could look like original. Okay, now what we can do, one more thing in this is we can go over file, make drawing from part. Okay, for that I am going to just select this as a like this or like this. Now I am going for the make drawing from parts. Okay, save and insert. Okay, I am going to save this first as a part 5. Okay, saved. Now what can I do? I have to select the okay, landscape will be okay. Okay, now I can select the front view, right view, back view, left view, bottom view, trimetric, dimetric, isometric, current. So basically we draw the top view. So I am going to select this top view. Okay, and now I am going to, this one will be the side view, and this one will be the, sorry, that one will be the front view, and this one will be the side view. And if I go over this will form a isometric view. Okay, so we can make drawing from here too. If you wish to add your name here, you can add by clicking, just double click here, you will be able to. So now today's designing part is completed. So basically what I was trying to do here was, I was just showing you how to design, okay, in these fields. Let me save this one please first. Part 5 drawing. And now I can close this now. So basically you have seen the some of the tools of the SolidWorks. Okay, so later on when I will be making videos, I will be explaining you each and every tools one by one, such that you could learn, you can watch and learn the things, the tools which we use in the SolidWorks. Okay, each and every tools will be used one by one in some different videos. Okay, because it's a variety of tools are there available. Okay, we cannot use same tool or all the tools in one video. So I am going to make different videos for different tools, and in each and every video we are going to design a new part for which we are going to use the different tools in here. Okay, the features: SketchUp, markup, evaluate, embed, dimension, range tools, SolidWorks add-ins, emulation. Basically these are add-ins for the software. Simulations, we are going to see the simulations too, embeds, SolidWorks cam, CAD, each and everything. How we can make a program from the program that will cut that feature on the metal body. We are going to see each and everything. So that's all for today. Bye.